Bible has suffered untold woes from its enemies. And I'm dealing with a book called Bible. Several people have fought the Bible. They set the Bible ablaze. Some carried the Bible that was available to them, sank them in the sea. There was a man in France who fought the Bible. He fought the Bible. Anybody that carried Bible, he persecuted them. He persecuted the Bible. But one thing with the Bible is that the Bible overcame all of his enemies. The man I'm telling you about, when he died, his printing press became where Bible is printed. Where they say Bible must not exist, that is where Bible thrives. When you see some Islamic cleric trying to accuse you and trying to say Bible is not good, it is just the power of the Bible that penetrates to where they don't want it. And whether they like it or not, they are reading it, even though they will never understand